The ultimate confidence booster. This comes from page 65 of my book, Stay Home and Sell. I'll read it to you and then I'll expand on it. It just says, become really good at something that the world greatly values. This is not only your meal ticket for life, but it's also the most amazing confidence builder ever. Becoming great at selling can take years of hard and disciplined work, but it will build your confidence like nothing else. And I would add to that, becoming really great at sales and marketing, because our system incorporates the two in ways. We teach you things that most salespeople don't know. Using marketing to bring you the very, 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 very best people who come to you ready to buy. We teach you about positioning and all kinds of things that elevate you head and shoulders above all of these other salespeople who are out there chasing customers and that kind of thing. But when you learn the methods that we teach, it's going to make you a lot more money, easier, faster, with none of the problems and the headaches and hassles that other people are having to go through. And ultimately, it's going to make you feel so much better about yourself. And I'm speaking from experience here. So I'll go out on a limb and just tell you that for whatever reasons, I had issues with self-esteem when I was younger. It's nothing I'm proud of, and yet it is part of my history. I had issues with self-esteem, and becoming a great marketer, becoming a great, learning how to combine marketing and sales together so that I could avoid all of the problems I used to have when I was early in selling. I don't chase people anymore. People chase me. I have great positioning. People don't reject me like they used to. I never really did. In old-fashioned selling, because I went through all of that, they try to teach you how to handle rejection. And I tried, believe me, I tried so hard. But I'm a very sensitive person. And no matter how much work I put into it, it still bothered me. Having to deal with people slamming doors in your face and slamming phones, hanging up on you, dealing with irate prospects. No matter how much I tried, I always struggled with it. And yet the old-fashioned, the old salespeople, they'll say, they'll deal with it, wimp. You got to be stronger than that and all that kind of stuff. It's just nonsense. It's nonsense. It's just, like the true test of a great salesperson is to the degree that you can deal with all kinds of adversities, from disgruntled prospective buyers and angry customers and all that. It's just pure nonsense. When you use our methods, you're only dealing with the small group of the very, 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 very best prospective buyers in your market who are coming to you pre-sold. Your positioning is correct, so you're not just some kind of a salesperson trying to sell them. You're a trusted advisor. You're somebody that commands their respect. You are a true expert in their opinion and in their perception. And therefore, not only do the sales come faster and easier, but bigger sales, more profitable sales, and the clients buy more often and they feel better about their purchases. So those are the major advantages that you get here, and the confidence that the confidence booster. Look, it's not just in this area. No matter what, if you get really, really, really good, if you become a true master in any area that the world places a high value on, and that's exactly what every business needs to make more sales and profits. Every entrepreneur needs to make more sales and profits. I mean, the business world places extreme value on everyone and anyone who can make that cash register ring and get those customers coming back again and again and again and again. So this is something that is a highly valued service that we teach, especially the fact that because most salespeople and entrepreneurs don't know how to do what we teach our clients how to do. So So, and it's worth the price you pay, man. That's the reward is how you feel about yourself in the end. Yes, of course, the money is nice, big houses, nice cars, great vacations, all the trappings, never having to worry about price, money just rolling in like crazy. All of that is, it's a great ride. But in the end, when you look in the mirror, how you feel about yourself, that's the bottom line. So I realize there's a learning curve. We're teaching a lot of, we teach things that most people don't know about, and these are things that have generated many millions of dollars for us, but there is a learning curve. There's a lot to learn, and the reward is, at the end of the day, is how you feel about yourself. And anyway, thank you for listening to this or watching this audio type of presentation, and I hope something I've said makes a difference. Bye for now.